Enhance your home with Calder luxury vinyl smoked grey LVT flooring. Bring style and practicality into your home with a flooring choice that combines modern design and lasting durability. The smoked grey color and textured finish create a sleek, contemporary look, while the wide planks and fixed long lengths add a sense of space and uniformity to any room. Designed for convenience and strength, this luxury vinyl flooring features a click-lock system, allowing the planks to securely click together for a quick and hassle-free installation, perfect for DIY enthusiasts. Plus, it's compatible with water-based underfloor heating, making it a versatile option for any space. With its 5 mm thickness and built-in underlay, this flooring is built to withstand daily wear and tear, ensuring a durable and low-maintenance surface that looks great for years to come. A stylish, practical, and easy-to-install choice for busy households. Order your free sample today and see the quality for yourself.